Boxes are just gambling for adults. Like,
Yeah,
a less harmful way.
I want slime. You did?
A great feeling. You always say which one you want, and then if you get the one you want, then awesome.
Yeah, I did.
What is it? There's different egg colors.
Which one is that?
Neither my friend Simon nor I have played Maplestory in a while, so we didn't know which two characters they were, but it was Zero Alpha and Beta. Didn't want to dupe, so we went to go find two girls that were opening a lot more boxes and then traded with them. Apparently it was rare, but my haul will be in the next video.